Assalamualaikum everyone. Hi to all. Today I am going to start Tizzy toy box. How we will start, and we will do all necessary thing inside that one. Tizzy toy box. When you click on it, we are going to start. We'll wait for a while.
Hello, I'm Tizzy. Welcome to my Toybox.
How we will start this one? We will click here for start. After clicking this
Choose
one,
a game.
these are
Counting.
different type of
Bucket.
games.
Picture. Sheep. Bears. Rhyming. Pencil.
We click first this one using for
Counting.
counting
Let's
purpose.
play
It is
counting.
using for PG,
Which
nursery,
water tray
KGs
has
and
got
class 1 and 2.
3 boats?
Which tray got 3 board? 1, 2, 3. This tray got 3 boards. We will click on it.
1, 2, 3. Well done. There are
This one is
3
correct. Now
boats
we will
here.
go for the move to the other one.
Which water tray has got 8 boats?
Which water tray has got 8 board? You know this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now these are the 8 board in a tray. Alright, it is using for counting purpose.
1,
The
2,
children will be or learner will be count with
3,
this joker.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, there are 8 boats here.
It will showing many trays there and different type of counting, right?
Which water tray has
Okay, we will
got
go for
2
this one.
boats?
Yes, which tray has got 2 boards? We click here.
1,
1 and 2.
2. Yes, there are 2 boats here.
Now we will go for the other game. We click here. Go here and
Choose a game. Jigsaw.
jigsaw. We click here. There are different type of shapes inside that one. Just like this one is triangle. The kids or the learner will be know about the different shapes. The triangle, when we click this triangle, it will be completed. Now you will see here this is the rectangle. Now click where this piece fit. No, not here. This one fit here. Now this is a circle.
Where this piece fits.
Will fit here. Now there are different type of shapes come inside that
Finished
one.
the jigsaw.
After finishing that one, we will go for the other.
Click.
We'll click here for the other. Now we will go for
Choose
the
a game. Bucket and spade.
bucket and spade. We will click here.
Let's play bucket and spade. Can you find my
I already created
My
detail
spade is
that
behind
one
the
video
bucket.
about each and every that one game, right? But this one is using for all the game we will use, but only one or two step. Now spin is behind the bucket. Now this one, yes, we click here. Now it will be there. Right
Can
after
you
that, we
find
will
my
go
spade?
there.
My spade is above the sandcastle.
Now, now this one is above the sand castle. Yes, this one is the above. Now we'll go for that one.
Can you find my spade? My spade is in front
Front of
of
the
the
bag.
bag.
Yes, this one is the front of the bag. We click here.
You
Now
have
we will go
found
for the other
all
one.
my spades.
Yes, now we complete this one. 2 3 step here. Now we will move to the other one because we want to complete. We go there and
Choose
dressing
one.
up.
Let's play dressing up. The nurse might need these things.
Nurse might need these
What
things.
else might the nurse need?
Nurse need
A syringe,
syringe,
a tractor,
tractor or medicine.
medicine.
We click on this one.
The nurse might need medicine.
We'll go for this one. Other one.
The nurse might need a
Need a
syringe.
syringe.
Yes. Here's the nurse.
This one, kids or the learner know about the designation
Might need
and
these
what type of
things.
thing used by
What
their
else might
designated
the
person.
builder need?
Builder need,
Nail.
yes, this
The
one,
builder might need nails.
nail. Now after that, the mixture
The builder might
builder need
a concrete mixer.
concrete mixture. You need the builders.
Here's
Now
the builder.
yes, he or she is the builder. Now we'll go for the other. Now now we'll move to the other software again, this one, and we are going
Choose
for
play.
caterpillar
Let's play
because I want to
caterpillar.
complete all. Now here the color will be showing here. You will match the
Which
color with
shoes
these
does
shoes.
caterpillar want?
Now this one, yes, this one shoes will be worn by the caterpillar. The color combination will be there. Now you will see red and light blue.
Which shoe does caterpillar want?
Yes. Now we will go for the further other one. A yellow and light blue color.
Which
Yes.
shoe does caterpillar want?
Yes, these shoes. Now we will go for the other one also.
You have found all of caterpillar's shoes.
Now you find all the shoes color combination also. We'll go for the next software now. We'll go for the other software now.
Choose
Band.
again.
We'll go for the beats. We will click here.
Let's
It
play
is also the
beads.
kids or the learner will be used for counting purpose.
Which necklace has got more beads?
Now which necklace has got more beads? You know, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We will click on it. After clicking,
Right.
now
Look. 5 beads
5
are
beads
more
more
than
than 3 beads, right? We go for the other.
Which necklace has got
1,
more beads?
2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, this is got more beads.
Well done.
Now we complete this one.
Look. 7 beads are more than 4 beads.
Now we will go for the other one.
Which neck?
Now we will go for the opposite.
Let's play
Opposites. Now you will see
What is the
empty.
opposite of empty?
What is the opposite of the empty?
Empty. Full. Em dark. Run.
Now this one full.
Yes. Full
Now
is the
empty.
opposite of empty.
That one concept of empty opposite of that one full. Yes. Now you will
What
see
is the opposite of
go.
go?
Green is go and this one
Stop.
red for stop.
Back. Long.
Now we stop that one. Yes.
You're
The
right.
opposite of the start.
Stop is the opposite of go.
Stop is the opposite of go.
What is the opposite
This is
of
opposite of back.
back? Back. Front. Asleep. On. You're right. Front is the opposite of back.
Back. Okay, now we will go for the picture.
Let's play
Picture book.
book.
Now we start from here.
Is first in the story.
Which picture is first in the story?
Which picture is next in the story?
Next in the story, which picture? Which picture is there in the last in the story? Which picture is last in the story? We will click here. Yes, this one is the last.
Well
After
done.
that,
You have finished the story.
we finish the story. Now we will go for the other. If you want to use more picture, you can, and you will solve it. Okay, now we will go for the other one.
Choose a game.
Now this one using pencils.
Let's play pencils.
Now it is give the concept
Which is
of
the shorter pencil?
shorter, long, thick, thin, right? Give the concept to the children. This one for the learners.
This is the shorter pencil.
Which is the
taller
taller pencil? This one? No, this one taller pencil.
Yes, this is the taller pencil.
Which is the smaller pencil? No, this one is the smaller pencil.
This is the smaller pencil.
Okay, now we will go for the other
Choose
rhyming words.
Let's play rhyming words.
Rhyming words.
Carefully. Once Tizzy had a bug and it slept on the...
Slept on the
Which word rhymes with
bug.
fish, dead, rug, bug?
We click on rug. It will be
Once Tizzy
Yes.
had a bug,
Bug
and it slept,
slept
on
under the rug.
the... You have made a rhyme. Listen carefully.
Cat
Once Tizzy had a cat and it slept on the...
slept on the
Which word rhymes with cat, mat, ball, hen?
Now we click on mat.
Once Tizzy had a cat and it slept on the mat.
Now after that we will go for the other ones out here. Okay, now bear.
Choose a game. Bears.
Bears, we
Let's
click on
play
it.
bears.
Now these are alphabet. Sound will be produced.
With this sound.
Go. This sound.
Queen. Queen. Quilt. Zoo.
Both are correct. Now we will move to the other.
Queen and quilt begin with the
It is
sound
provide
qu,
help to the kids or learners.
which begin with this sound. J,
J.
juice, nail, jigsaw, ju,
Click here. This
juice,
is correct. And also we will go for the other one.
jigsaw,
This is also
jigsaw.
correct.
You're right.
We will go for the other one now. The last one, it is using the sheep, is using for to show the color to the learners or the kids, to the kids, right?
Baba, white and blue sheep, have you any more?
Now we will find the white and blue.
Which sheep is white and blue? Yes, this sheep is white and blue.
White and blue. Now this one.
Baba, green and white sheep, have you any more? Which
Green,
sheep is green
green and white.
white? Yes, this sheep is green and
And white. Okay, now take care by yourself. We will going to
white.
white. You will click
Are you
here.
sure you want to? Okay.
Yes, I want to
Bye.
leave this one.
Come back soon.
Okay, Allah Hafiz and take care.